Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You will start by enabling the iPhone hotspot so your computer can join. On the iPhone, open Settings, tap Personal Hotspot and flip it on. Set a clear, strong password so devices authenticate securely. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled on the phone to speed discovery and reduce configuration steps. You do this now to avoid later pairing delays and to ensure the computer sees the network immediately. This also lets you choose between Wi-Fi, USB, or Bluetooth tethering. Next, connect your computer to the iPhone hotspot using the method you prefer. For Wi-Fi, open the computer's network list, pick the iPhone SSID, enter the hotspot password, and join. This is the fastest for laptops. For USB, plug the iPhone into the computer, accept the trust prompt, and the OS will create a network interface. This gives stable speeds and charges the phone. For Bluetooth, pair both devices in Bluetooth settings, then enable network access over the connection. This saves battery, but is slower. Finish by verifying internet access in a browser and checking iPhone settings for current data usage so you avoid surprises. Make sure the phone stays awake or remains plugged in during long transfers to prevent the hotspot from sleeping. If you encounter a problem, restart both devices and reattempt connection. This clears temporary network states. If issues persist, toggle Personal Hotspot off and on, forget the network on the computer and reconnect. Because renegotiating credentials often fixes authentication or IP assignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.